you're probably wondering which tires we chose to go with on this Jeep Renegade. Well, here they are. We chose to go with the Nitto Nomad Grappler. Here's some reasons why we chose this tire and why we think this is one of the best choices on the market. The first feature we liked is how the center tread blocks are arranged. Being in a tight pattern, they allow for a smooth, quiet ride on the highway. So here's a closer look at the inner tread blocks. As you can see, there isn't a whole lot of voids. This allows for a smoother and quieter ride on the highway, as well as increased handling on and off-road. The way the grooves are arranged allows for a lot of biting edges when off-roading. They also make for great water evacuation. The second reason we chose these tires is because they're 3-peak snow-rated tires. They're great in the snow, and they're also made in the USA. The third and final reason we chose these tires is because of your two options of sidewall designs. You get to choose which one you like to show on the outside of your vehicle. Now here's another look at what they look like on our vehicle. This particular Jeep uses a 215 65R17 tire. Another look at the driver's side with the Nomad grapplers installed.
Introducing Nitto's all-new Nomad Grappler crossover terrain. Nitto's first dedicated grappler for both CUV and SUV vehicles. Nomad Grappler brings with it legendary Nitto toughness, while providing a smooth, forgiving ride for the path less traveled.